Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zia, and I'm your host P Fire, aka P is freezing to death. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know what it is. I'm gonna go around, come back, and we're gonna get into it. Let's do it. Oh, shit, God. It's good to have a coat on because it's warm as hell. Warm as hell, it's cold as hell. Anyway, guys, let me give you a little close-up, little twirlages. You know how we do. Nothing but to do when we do it, when you do it. Alright, guys, today we have this Adidas Originals coat from 2007. Yes, 2007, that's 15 years old. Guys, you already know what it is. Let's start at the length. There's my waist right there, and of course it goes just below the waist at a nice coat length. Let's zip up. So you have this kind of bronze color zip trail, as well as this bronze color zip, and that is a YKK zip, as you can see right there, and it's attached to this taffeta kind of zip pull, not a canvas like normal, a taffeta, and it goes to the roof of the neck. Okay, the roof of the neck, sorry, not the roof, the base of the neck, not the roof of the neck. Okay, cool. Let me just step back so you can see what we're dealing with. All right, cool. Let's do the cuffages. You know how we do. Nice bit of cuffage space right there. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Here comes the chief rocker. You have this nice adjustable piece right there, which has those nice Adidas buttons with the tray foil on it, and you have two, un, deux, and that moves over to there, and it sort of gives you a nice little taperage. Nothing too crazy, but that's kind of the tapering effect you get. Okay, so it sort of maybe halves it. Equilibrium's a beautiful thing. Eagle eye amongst you might notice there's not a second button, but I'm not sure where that is. I do have a spare. Okay, let me step back. The zip strip, as you can see, is nice and wide. It's a wide zip strip, and that is fastened securely by un, deux, trois, un momento, quatre, cinq. So 5 buttons, and once again, eagle eye amongst you might notice there's a button missing, but like I said, I do have a spare. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 buttons right there, which give you that nice zip strippage. Of course, let's start at the pocket. So you have left hand side, right hand side, and these pockets are right at a nice length, and they are fastened down by these rivets. Let me show you. I'll show you up on this higher piece here. As you can see, the rivet right there, and it says Adidas, 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 and it has the tray foil, you know. So really nice rivet buttons, and they're fastened down by little pin pushers kind of thingy, and the pocket has a nice little pleat, as you can see, going down the middle, sort of military style pockets. Equilibrium's a beautiful thing, so you have the same on left hand side and the right hand side, and of course you have the same left hand side, right hand side up top. Okay, stepping back, guys, just let me just show you above that pocket there. You have Adidas and the tray foil logo. Equilibrium's not a beautiful thing in this case, so you don't have it there, but that is totally fine. Of course, you have this beautiful collar, as you can see. I'll show you that a bit more in detail, sort of thinly ribbed, and I'll just give you the back so you can see. Very, very nice. Okay, as you can see, that's in a sort of browny greeny. It's a variable green. I'm hoping you can pick it up on the camera today. Of course, you've got the 3 stripes going down from shoulder, un, deux, trois, shoulder, all the way down to elbow, all the way down to wrist, and beautiful thing, equilibrium is going all the way back up, down to shoulder. Beautiful. Let me just step back so you can see it on the hand. Boom. Lovely, sweet. Okay, so let me just loosen this up so we can get into a tiny more of the inner details on this jacket. Like I said, this is from 2007. I bought this, I don't know how much I paid, but really, really dope jacket. I think there was a sale going on, so I might have only paid about 80 quid or something. But my daughter might have even got it for me and her mum years ago. I can't remember if I bought it or it was a birthday present, but anyway. Of course, you have the Adidas tray foil right there, and that's a size large. You have the Adidas Le Marque, all 3 bands, Adidas, the brand with the 3 stripes. So as you can see, that's going down all the way there. So let me just step back so you can see where, see, you got that detailing all the way through the jacket. Really, really dope. Of course, you got a spare button right there, and you got your labels and so on and so forth. You got the date right there, which tells you that it was 2007, 10/07, if you can see. You've got this inner fastener which allows you to sort of, you know, taper your waist, so that's always useful. We always do like that. What else do we have in here? Of course, I said I'll show you that a bit more up close. So there you go. There's the collar right there. Got a bit of red dye on that. I don't know how that happened, but it's all good. Again, this jacket is 15 years old. Now, I think I've gone through most of the settings. I said settings. Other than you've got these 2 side pockets right here, and they allow you to put your hands in, walk down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. Now, these pockets are the deeper of the pockets. So this pocket here, this pocket here, this pocket here, this pocket here, you can only put maybe a couple coins, a gold, a dog and bone, and that's really about it. You put anything else over it, in it, you're top loading. You know what I mean? And you're not top loader. I remember the band Top Loader. Probably don't, because you're about 12 years old, a few of you. But anyway, yeah, so these are the deepest pockets. Hands in your pocket, walking down the street with your hands in your skyrockets. And yeah, in case you always wonder what skyrocket is Cockney slang for pocket. So there you go. Let me see if I missed any detail. I don't think so. Like I said, you've seen the sort of wrist epaulets, as we might call them. Really, really dope. And yeah, guys, that is kind of really it. You've got this nice collar bit. Obviously, you've got that sort of metal embellishment right there, which allows you to attach this somewhere. I think this attaches to the button. There's a button on my collar somewhere, so it attaches like so, and then it gives you a kind of sort of, you know, mouthpiece kind of when it's all done up kind of thing. I've never actually used that, but yeah, guys, this has been an Adidas, the Marque with the 3 stripes, or the brand with the 3 stripes jacket from 2007. As you can see, very worn. It did have a bit more of a waxy feel from what I remember, but I think I put it in the washing machine like an idiot and didn't really check the settings. So as you can see, lots of wearing and aging and all of that. I'll just give you, you know, so you can see. But yeah, really, really nice jacket, coat. I used to live in this, but you know, like I said, I like to park stuff for quite a while and then bring it back. I don't know if I said that, but I've just said that now. Anyway, guys, you already know what this is. This has been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P. Put some clothes on because it's freezing out here, and you guys have been beautiful. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And guys, mad love to you, man. I appreciate you. You already know what it is. Peace.